Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can sign out of all your devices in the Spotify desktop application in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So to log out from your account on Spotify on all devices you're currently logged in, like mobile, Android, desktop app, tablet, and so on and so forth, or I don't know, consoles, you will need to access your Spotify account not through the desktop app, but actually through the web application. Log into your account, click into your profile icon in the top right, and navigate to account settings. Here you will need to scroll down to security and privacy, and here click into sign out everywhere. After that, Spotify will ask you for confirmation by clicking into this button. Remember also guys that it may take up to 1 hour to sign you out of all devices, like as previously mentioned, mobile, tablet, web player, TV, and so on and so forth. So guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.